Manually downloading reports, switching between various softwares and screens, and identifying mismatches across multiple forms is a challenge for most CAs and their teams. On top of that, managing GST notices and preparing for audits adds another layer of complexity. With Tally Prime powered by AWS, you can easily work with the same dataset, enhancing collaboration and accuracy with your clients. In the latest release, you can easily download multiple returns for different periods and multiple GSTINs in just a few clicks. The powerful reconciliation experience in Tally Prime 5.0 is accurate, quick, and saves you and your team a lot of time and effort. Any discrepancies are managed easily. Mismatch can occur due to differences in invoice totals, either from TDS deductions or other expenses like freight and insurance added while booking purchase. Mismatches can also occur due to round-off errors. With this release, you can easily configure Tally Prime to ignore invoice amount and round off discrepancies for reconciliation. Additionally, if you receive invoices that don't belong to you, easily exclude them and complete the reconciliation process. You can also download 3B in just a few clicks and review all the reconciled data, helping you upload GSTR 3B with accurate liability and ITC values. Once GSTR 3B is uploaded and tax payment is completed and the 3B return is filed on the portal, mark the return as filed in Tally Prime and update the ARN number and date. Connected GST reconciliation in Tally Prime 5.0 ensures peace of mind during audits with no discrepancies in liability between e-invoices, e-way bills, and GSTR returns. Similarly, 2B reconciliation guarantees that your ITC claims are always accurate. Manage your compliance on your terms, with the complete visibility into your status at all times. One-click reconciliation with Tally Prime 5.0. Super fast, super easy, super accurate.